Welcome back, PTE learners. I am Anurag, your PTE expert, and today we are going to delve into the world of PTE reading and explore some effective strategies to enhance your skills. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your reading abilities, we have got you covered. So let's dive right in. Before we jump into specific strategies, let's establish a solid foundation. Reading comprehension is not just about reading words, but understanding the context and extracting the information. So here are some fundamental tips to get you started. Tip number 1. Read regularly. Set aside dedicated time every day to read a variety of texts, including newspapers, magazines, and online articles. This will expose you to different writing styles and improve your overall reading speed and comprehension. Tip number 2. Expand your vocabulary. Create a list of new words you encounter while reading and make a conscious effort to understand their meanings. Practice using these words in your everyday conversations or writing exercises to reinforce your learning. Tip number 3, which is the most important skill you need, the holy grail of PTE reading. Develop skimming and scanning techniques. Skimming involves quickly going through a text to get a general idea of its content, while scanning is searching for specific information. These skills will save you time during the exam and help you locate answers very efficiently. When skimming through the text, you ignore the grammar words like conjunctions and prepositions and focus only on the meaningful words, which are nouns, adjectives, verbs, and adverbs. Believe me, just reading them in the order is enough to give you a fair idea of the context. So practicing this technique will help you attempt the questions way faster, especially the MCQ questions. Now let's move on to some strategies specifically designed to improve your PTE reading skills. Strategy number 1. Preview the text. Before diving into the passage, take a few moments to read the introductory paragraphs. This will give you a sense of the topic and also help you create a mental framework for understanding the passage. Strategy number 2. Pay attention to the scanning technique. When you are answering a specific question, you should be able to find quickly where in the text the asked keywords are discussed and then read around those keywords to understand what is discussed there. Strategy number 3. Practice active reading. Engage with the text by asking yourself questions about the content, making predictions, and also summarizing the key points. This will help you stay focused and develop a deeper understanding of the passage. Now, if you are looking for strategies to tackle specific question types in the PTE reading section, please watch our full strategy videos where we have explained each of the reading tasks and other tasks in a very simple manner. Finally, it's time to put all these strategies into practice. So familiarize yourself with the PTE practice test available on our Edutrainex website or in our study guides. These tests actually simulate the real PTE test conditions to assess your progress. I hope you like this video, and if you really like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe